Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to save and export your music in BandLab on PC. When you create music in BandLab, your work is automatically saved online and exporting downloading a song as an audio file. Understanding both is important so you do not lose your work and can share it anyway. So BandLab auto saves your project while you work. You do not need to manually press save like other software, but you can still publish or share or save a version to fully secure your progress. You can simply open your project in the mix editor over here. You can find all of the project here. You can select this project setting here. So simply click on the project of yours. And over here, once you get into this interface of your new project, what you can do is you need to click onto this download. You can simply manually click onto this download here. And over here, you can select either for the WAV, MP3, M4A or M4A as well. And you can select any of the file format, as I'm going to select this WAV, and click onto this beside download button, and that is it. This is how you can save and export your music in BandLab on PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.